go. Let's talk about the snatch. If you love kettlebells, you do kettlebells, everybody wants to learn how to do a kettlebell snatch. It's like the cool kettlebell move, right? Let me show you one real quick so you can watch it in real time. So a kettlebell snatch, this is a long cycle. We just start, it's moving, and then we drive it up to the ceiling here. Boom. Now I want you to see something when I'm doing this. People wait too long. One of the biggest complaints I get about a kettlebell snatch is that it hurts the wrist, okay? The reason why, and I'm gonna show you this. Let's see if I can even do it. But they're locking out their wrist at the very top of the movement. Okay, think about like time this way on a clock. So if I wait till 12 o'clock, oh, it's gonna really slap. It's gonna slap my wrist, right? Because I'm waiting till the top of the move to let the kettlebell fall, okay? So what you're trying to do is as that kettlebell comes up, about here is when I wanna start the transition of coming underneath the bell. So it's already gently coming around. So by the time I'm at the top, it's already set, okay? So it's not gonna fall on me, okay? So watch again. So watch when I punch, when I start the punch through, okay? Right about here, okay, is where I start the punch. And watch how I pull my elbow in towards me. I don't keep my arm straight the whole time. I come down, pull the elbow toward you to get underneath it, okay? Again, boom. So see how it's already traveling, starts right here before it hits. So again, don't keep your arm straight and let it slap. Okay, that's just no bueno. Bring it in, pull it back, and see how the body kind of pulls back along with it. So think of it as if I was on a clock here, say about 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10, I'm already starting to push through so that I can land nicely at 12 o'clock. Give it a shot.